Do you have a goal to purchase a home in the new year? If so, why wait? Let me show you a home that could be the perfect fit. 652 Harrison Terrace in San Jose. Built in 2007, this thoughtfully designed tri-level condominium offers 1,800 square feet, 4 spacious bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and a private gated backyard. With naturally separated living areas, this home creates distinct zones for relaxation, entertainment, and rest. Ideal for first-time buyers, growing families, multi-generational living, or roommates who want their own space. The vertical layout maximizes every square foot, giving you more room without the need for a sprawling footprint. If you love this home and still feel hesitant about taking the first step towards owning it, you may be experiencing a little analysis paralysis. So, I've teamed up with my trusted lender, Kirsten Fordyce at the Platinum Investment Group, to help bust the biggest myths holding back buyers. Myth number 1, I need 20% down to buy a home.
Not true. Most buyers purchase with 3% to 5% down, and there are even programs that require less. So if saving 20% feels out of reach, then good news. You may be much closer than you think.
Myth number 2, I should wait for home prices to drop.
The Bay Area doesn't behave like national headlines. While the market moves up and down, the long-term trends here are consistently upward because demand is so strong. Trying to time the market usually means missing great opportunities. Focus instead on the right home, the right payment, and your long-term plan.
Myth number 3, I should wait for interest rates to drop.
There are creative lending strategies that allow you to buy now with a lower rate, including interest rate buydowns, where the seller provides a credit to temporarily reduce your rate for the first few years. And remember, many buyers are choosing to marry the home and date the rate. Buy the home you love now and refinance when rates improve.
Myth number 4, my credit has to be perfect.
Perfect credit is great, but definitely not required. Many buyers qualify with mid-600s credit scores, and we offer tools to help you improve or work with the score that you already have.
Buying doesn't have to feel intimidating, especially when you have the right information and guide you can trust. If you're curious about purchasing this home, or you simply want to talk through your options, send me a message. I'm here to help you feel confident with every step of the way. I'm Darlene Perry, your San Francisco Bay Area real estate connector. See you on the next video.